Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, basahin ko sa inyo, i-share ko ang response ng Peanut Gallery Media Network doon sa pagka-aresto ng kanilang founder na si Franco Mabanta. Mayroon pala silang na-prepare ni research, 90 minutes expose, video sa mga alleged corruption na ginawa ni Romualdez. At ito, ilalabas nila kahit anong mangyari. So sinasabi nila dito na yung pagka-aresto ni Mabanta, Franco Mabanta, is para pigilan ang paglabas ng expose na ito. Wow! Grabe. We are innocent. This was a setup. Over the last 5 months, PGMN completed immense, comprehensive, painful research on the breathtaking national corruption of Martin Romualdez while he was Speaker of the House. What we have is devastating. Sige, ito na. The episode was filmed several weeks ago. It had been fully edited. It is 90 minutes long, packed with hard evidence, and ready for release. That is why this is happening, yung pagka-aresto kay Mabanta. There was no extortion, there was zero threats from us. That's all bullshit. The evidence provided showed one side of the story. We committed no crime, and we can prove it. Romualdez did this to silence us. Why? Because the timing of the release of our expose would leave him in a desperate situation, particularly with his vast current troubles with the ombudsman hanging over his head, as President Marcos signals what he is clearly listening to what the whole country wants and is at last willing to hold accountable the man widely believed to have sabotaged the first 3 years of his administration. Days before our arrest, we had been privately warned multiple times by powerful close friends who were aware of the situation that there is legitimate concern for our physical safety in that all of us could be hurt or killed by hitmen. In light of this, even before the arrest, sabi ni Franco Mabanta, I gave specific, explicit instructions that if anything, literally anything, be it fatal or injurious, happens to any of us in any capacity, our legal teams and trusted allies are to fully publish the 90-minute expose on every major social media platform for everyone in the Philippines to see. We at PGMN have always taken profound and sincere pride in going after the bad guys. Yesterday, we made the difficult choice to go after the worst of them all. And now, we are where we are. If this is the price to pay to do what's right, then so be it. I want my 5-year-old and 2-year-old sons to look back at these decisions when they're older and see the kind of man their dad was. Wow. Dear Martin, you know what you did to the country. We know what you did to the country. Soon, hopefully, everyone will too. Franco Mabanta. Wow. Sinasabi ko na manaon akong vlog, na bilib ako dito sa PGMN. Magagaling silang mag-research. Pag bumira, talagang bullseye. Kasi hindi naman sasama dyan si Atty. Roy Nagwanson kung pipitsugin na grupo itong PGMN. Hindi sasama dyan si Atty. Regal Oleva at iba pa. Matitinik ang kanilang mga anchor o mga host. Kaya ko, personal opinion ko ito, saludo ako sa advocacy ng PGMN. Free speech. Katotohanan lang. Kaya abangan natin ito. 90 minutes expose, alleged corruption ni Martin Romualdez. Back with evidence. Hindi, ipagdasal na lang natin si Franco Mabanta yung pagka-aresto niya. Kasi hindi pa naman siya nahatulan na guilty, lalaban siya sa korte. Sana malampasan niya ang pagsubok nito. But meantime, the people has the right to know itong nangyari for the last 3 years. At sana itong expose na ito ng PGMN is magagamit na naman ng ombudsman para habulin ang mga masterminds at kasama na dyan si Martin Romualdez. May nabasa akong post ni Doc Lorraine Badoy kanina. Sabi niya, makakaubos daw siya ng popcorn. Sabi niya, ito, Lorraine Badoy. I am buying a sack of popcorn while waiting for Peanut Gallery Media Network to release Martin Romualdez video. Saya nito, tambi. Ako rin, kaabang-abang. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig manood ng mga ganyan, yung mahaba. Gusto ko yung reels lang ang pinapanood ko. 1 minute, 2 minutes, okay na. But this one, 90 minutes. Uubusin ko. Papanoorin ko lahat ng ibubulgor ng PGMN. And I hope na maraming taong bayan na makapanood nito. Tayo nang humusga. Kasi ano pa lang ito, aligasyon. But in our own understanding, konsensya, puso't konsensya, makakabuo tayo ng conclusion kung ano ba talaga ang nangyaring nakawan dito sa kaban ng taong bayan. Mabuhay po kayo, PGMN. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito.